Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another t-shirt for you. We got our beautiful big horizontally pleated lard. This one was a quad color with mixed gray. Very interesting what we have. Bright and early in the morning, birds chirping, sun is just cracking the horizon. We're out here tie-dyeing for the people. Special tie-dyeing session. To the inside. Get it unbanded. Beautiful shirt. Well, with a nice pastel-like hue to it. Let's get to see what we got. Cool. Awesome. That's pretty tight.
I like it.
And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Look at that beautiful striped tie-dye. It came out with like a nice diagonal striping of the mist gray. Look at that. Wow. Really pops in direct sunlight. Look at all those colors. Man, that is nice. That's what a proper pink looks like. Oh yeah, good green, good mixing. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.